In Life Management Skills, Activity 1.3 asks you to explore pathways to parenting skills. I have clicked in Module 1 Construction Site, Activity 1.3, Exploring Pathways to Parenting Skills. What I will do is scroll down to read what this lesson is going to teach me. Then I will click on the activity. Now, this will allow me to understand that there is a work file for me to download and a place for me to go and get information. This work file is going to ask me questions to answer about the sites that I visit in this section over here. You can print out the work file or open it on your screen. This is what the work file looks like. You will enable editing and use it to answer questions. Now you're wondering what Site 1 and Site 2 and Site 3 are all about. This goes all the way to Site 4, Site 5, and Site 6. I am about to show you. Back in the Life Management Skills course, Road Trip to Parent World, here is the Road Trip to Parent World link. And you'll see that the way I found it was I clicked on, I'm going to go back to review. I clicked in activity. This is where I found the work file, and this is where I went to the roadmap to Parent World. All right, do you see these numbers? These are the sites that correspond to the work file. So I'm actually going to split my screen here, and you can do this too in your home computer. Oops, sorry. One more second. Okay, there we go. All right, so you'll see that you get to see, I'm going to minimize this. Site 1 corresponds to these questions. So right here, Money Central. This site is going to help you estimate the cost of raising a child. It is a nice article that you can read, and also there is a video you can watch. When it's finished loading, it'll start playing automatically. And then you answer questions about that here. Okay, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, when you're done, you can exit and go back to the original Life Management Skills course and go to Site 2. Site 2 is all about a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. Here is the question you will answer in your work file for Site 2. The article is here. You can scroll down and read the whole article. When you are done, you can delete it and go back to your course and then move on to Site 3. And this is all about family issues, understanding the difference between punishment and discipline. So here is Site 3. Here are the questions for Site 3. And I like these because they're fill in the blank. So this is the word bank to fill in the blank for these questions. And you'll know the answers when you click here and you read this article. Okay, one of the main questions the students are mostly getting wrong on the quiz is about the roadblocks. This is the information about the roadblocks right here. So there's a lot of information in this unit, but if you follow these steps and use the work file to take notes about the resources, you will not have a problem when it comes to taking the quiz. The quiz will be very easy for you if you fill out the work file. You can use the work file when you take the quiz and you have your it's almost like a study guide. And that way you can look up answers in your work file to answer the questions on the quiz. Okay, so when you're done with 3, you would go back, and I've shown you how to visit Site 1, 2, and 3 and answer the questions on the work file. It is your responsibility then to view Sites 4, 5, and 6, which will allow you to continue, 4, 5, 6, and 7, which will allow you to complete the whole road trip. Okay, and then of course you'll notice 4, 5, 6, and there's no question for site 7 on the work file, but visit it anyways so that you get some more information. Then when you are done with that and you're done with this, you're not actually turning this file in. This work file is just for you to study. The way you are, your assignment or your assessments in, and I'm going to actually make this full screen so we can talk about this now. So when you're done with this, when you go back, the only thing you have left to do is take the online quiz. See, it says what to turn in, take the online quiz. So let's find 1.3 Exploring Pathways to Parenting Skills. That'll be in Assignments and Assessments, right here. 1.3 Exploring Pathways to Parenting Skills. You can start your quiz as soon as you're ready. Make sure that you know you can take it twice. After you take it the first time, if you feel uncomfortable with your results, you can do it one more time. Also, you may email me if you felt you had an issue during the quiz, and I can look at your progress and grant you a retry if I feel it is warranted. I hope you have a positive experience doing 1.3 Exploring Pathways to Parenting, and I hope that this video helped. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and thank you again for being one of my fantastic students. Have a wonderful day.